Okay, sorry we had to go off the air. But when it starts getting ready, you can test it by putting a dish in the refrigerator and dropping a spoonful and see, look, it don't come out. It doesn't, it gels. And if it's 220 on this thermometer and the sheets are coming together and then it's ready to go right then, you have to have your jars ready, sterilized and everything ready so they'll start sealing. And here's this thing, you know what, it might have been almost this whole thing of Muscadines made 5 half pints of jelly. So when your grandmother or your mother makes you jelly, you appreciate it. See, here it is, show them this finished product. See there? And you need one of these things to put in the jar, which we didn't have time. And you have to heat the lids in boiling water like this, the lids.
There.
And then you have to have rings to put on top of them like that. Well, you put one wrong ring on there, but we'll change it.
Okay.
And then you get to get a little spoon and get all the stuff out of the pan so you can eat the good stuff.
Here's the best part, is the last part.
Then if you have little children, you don't let them get in the kitchen with you or they might get scalded. But after you finish, you can have them come in and sample to see if they like the red taste. And most of the time they will. See, because they have little samples with it, like this. But guess what? There's no grandchildren here. So Judy will have to do that. Judy will have to eat it.
I get to sample.
We may have, it might have been two making some. I'm not sure.
So one whole pan, that whole pan would have been full of muscadines, right?
And it may have enough to make. We've got to show them how much is in the pan over there. Isn't that some in that pan to cook?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that much more.
Yeah, and we still have this much more to make into jelly shortly.
But it might not have. I don't know how many times. I don't know how much. It takes a lot of just berries.
So now we're going to go sample.
Anyway, have a good evening.